Okay, this is a quick video on fridge maintenance. Modern RV fridges are kind of self-contained. There's not a whole lot of maintenance you can do to them. There is one piece of maintenance I'm going to show you. If your fridge is not getting cold, this may help. 9 times out of 10 it will help. Let's get started. Alright, this is the back of a fridge. They're all going to be a little bit different. I'm using this one because it has an easy access. But you want to be able to get to the burner, which I probably can't really see it here, but there's going to be an access. If there's not an access, then you'll have to take off the cover. Once you get to the burner, you can take a brush like this, if I can get it in here. You can take a brush like this. This is actually a gun cleaning brush. It fits in there really well, and you just want to scrub that burner. You want to make sure it's off before you scrub it, otherwise you'll just melt your brush. But you scrub that clean, that burner's going to start burning hotter, and it'll probably fix your fridge. Now, you also can take off this, let's see, this connection right here, and take your air hose and blow that baby out. There may be carbon buildup in there, and you can blow it all out, and that will help drastically. Other than that, there's not a whole lot you can do with an RV fridge. It's either working or it's not. And that's all I got for this video. Thanks.